Hey loves, it's Belinda, Selene, and the hubby.
Ricky V.
And for today's video, we're going to be sharing with you guys the gender reveal of our baby. Finally, I feel like we've been waiting for this moment for a while. Before you guys fast forward, we wanna we wanna make this really fun for you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to answer these, what are they called, like old folk tales or myths on gender predictions.
They're just called folk tales.
Are they folk tales?
Old folk tales.
Okay, folk tales or myths on gender predictions, because that's something that we would have totally done in a party if we had like our friends and family over. But we did actually have people vote what they thought we were having, a boy or a girl. So this is for you if you guys just want to have fun, and then if you want to skip forward after this you can to find out, because that's what I do. Whenever someone's having a baby, I don't even watch the vlog. I watch what they're having first, and then I'll go back and watch the entire video. So I'm so excited, I can't wait.
So you tell them what it is.
Yeah, so I circle, so I'm gonna put this on the screen for you guys to follow along, and someone actually sent me this, so thank you so much for sending this to me. I thought this was really cool. So, gender predictions. What does the Chinese calendar say that you're having, a girl or a boy? And the way that you do this is you could do it online and you just put the day that you conceive or the month that you conceive and then how old you are, I guess. And based off the bump, it says, the Chinese gender prediction says it's a boy. Next one, baby's heart rate. Is it more or faster than 140 beats per second, or is it less than 140 beats per second? Ricardo, do you remember?
It is more. Another one for boy.
No, it was more than 140 beats per second, right? Right?
Yeah.
So that means it would be a girl.
Is greater.
Greater, yeah.
Oh,
Is
greater. So it's one.
Yeah.
Check for girl, check for boy.
Yeah. So we have boy check,
Boy.
baby's heart rate, girl check. Mom's craving, sweet or salty? What do you think I have more of?
It's more sweet. You like fruits, so check girl.
But I like tajin with my...
Check girl.
But tajin is salty.
It's also very sweet.
Tajin is salty.
Tastes sweet to me.
Okay.
No, she's a. Oh, she made love to an orange.
Stop.
Sweet.
He's so sad because one time I was sleeping and I had a dream that I was eating oranges.
You were eating an orange.
And then I woke up and I had to eat an orange. And I don't eat fruit. Like, I don't eat oranges or apples like before pregnancy.
Like
But
bees, too.
but I woke up from that dream and I just needed to have an orange, like desperately, and I ate 2 of them with tajin. And it was the most amazing thing ever. Ricardo was like, whoa, what are you doing over there, making love to it?
Yeah, I was like, damn, you don't kiss me like that.
Then we have morning sickness.
Yes.
Holy cow.
And so, if you're following along, that's another yes for girl. So
Morning sickness.
Boom, 3-1.
Like no other.
3-1.
To my second trimester, I had morning sickness.
What?
All right, Dad.
I'm involved in this?
I didn't see that. Dad's weight, did you gain or maintain?
I think I maintained.
I think you maintained too.
Yeah.
So that's check for boy.
Boy. Team boy.
Next, we have mom's emotion. Moody or happy?
Moody or happy? Happy.
Yes, I was testing you too.
Boy.
Boy. All right.
So are we all tied up?
Are we?
Mm-hmm.
Mom's skin, problems or glowing? That's a 50-50. I had
Problem.
breakouts. Yeah, like breakouts,
Didn't see it.
patchiness.
Didn't see it, so it's glowing.
You think glowing?
Boy.
Okay. In the very beginning stages, I had bumps on my face and I broke out, which is weird. And then after that, it went away.
Nah, boy.
So I think it's. You say it's glowing?
It's
okay.
glowing.
All right, boy.
Y'all said she was glowing in some of those comments. She's glowing.
All right. Headaches, no or yes? Yes. So bad they were migraines.
Yeah.
Remember when I called you in the parking lot?
Dang, boys with the comeback.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
When I was at the mall and I had to call you because I had a horrible migraine. I thought I was gonna like faint.
Yeah, she
or
has headaches
something.
for a long time.
It was bad. All right, carrying, high or low? I don't really get that. Like high or low?
Like how your belly's carrying. Is it up or is it down? I think it's more down, right?
You think it's down?
I think she's low.
So check for boy, right?
Boy with a comeback.
And then dreams. What do I have dreams of? Actually, yeah, dreams of a girl or
do you
boy.
dream or you're dreaming of a boy? She dreams a lot, so I'm saying girl.
I dream every day, but that was even before pregnancy,
Yeah,
so that doesn't
she was
count.
bound to have a girl then. I don't know.
No, but it's like, do you dream of girls or boys? Like in your dreams, do you dream of having a boy or a girl?
What do you dream of?
Of both. They've always been, even before pregnancy, I've always had dreams of both. I've never had.
There's not both on the screen or wherever it's gonna be. So
I guess girl? Girl? Because
girl.
More often girls?
More
Yeah?
often girls.
Okay. Mother's intuition. We'll save that one for when we actually find out the baby's gender. And then we have we have current age and month of conception. Huh? 41?
That's an odd number.
Oh, you're right. 41, right?
Yeah, odd number.
Pregnancy brain.
Girl.
Okay. So that's a check for a girl. And which side do I sleep in, right or left? Both, that's equal. There is no one
So
or
I get
the
to
other.
choose?
Yeah.
Let's do right.
Okay. And then no shape. Is my no shape? Is my nose the same or bigger? It's the same. My nose didn't grow.
Dang, got bigger.
My nose did not grow.
I knew something changed about
I've
you.
never heard of that.
No, it's
I've
the
never
same.
heard of that.
So no shape is same, so girl.
And then the belly shape, wide or round? Definitely round, right?
Yeah, you can't tell she's pregnant from behind.
So that is round. Did we keep track of how many we got? Okay, you count.
No.
You count the girl and I'll count the boy. So the boy won?
The boy won.
All right, so let's find out. Hey loves! So we're doing our gender reveal today, which I'm so excited about. We finally get to tell our friends and family what we're having. We actually know the baby's gender. Oh my god, we actually have the results!
I know.
Ginger's so excited, look at that. Okay, so in here, we have the gender results. I'm so excited. Oh my god, my heart's beating really fast. My armpits are starting to itch. When I get nervous, my armpits get itchy.
What's it gonna be?
Oh my god, we don't know. Any last thoughts?
No.
Of what you think it's gonna be? You have to have a feeling. We wanted to find out secretly, just like on our own, just to enjoy that moment together. I feel like we share like our biggest milestones, and like when we got engaged and everything, like everything was just like between us, and then we shared it with our family. So we're excited. I'm so excited to tell them. I'm getting ready right now. Ricardo just put together a few links so that we could do everything virtually. So we're gonna have a Zoom meeting to give to our friends and family, and then we just have our immediate family coming to the back of our house in their car, and it's just going to be like my mom, my dad, his mom, his dad, and then my sister and his brothers. And so we're gonna make sure that it's like really well I guess placed where they're not like too close to each other, like they have to be like a car distance away. We're setting this up right now, and we're going to set up a table in the back so that we can reveal what we're going to have. So we sent this link to everybody. It's called Survey Monkey. And Ricardo set it up to vote whether you think we're having a girl or a boy. And right now we have 11 so far. And Team Boy is winning by a short amount. They're almost like 50-50. But Team Boy says 54.55%. And then Team Girl is 45.45%. So it's pretty much even almost. And I'm still in my robe. I'm getting ready. That's the first thing that I want to do, is just get ready. And we're going to do the poppers because we wanted to play it safe. We didn't want to have any fails. Like, we have seen so many fails when it comes to gender reveals, like whether it's like a box that falls on top of someone, a balloon that flies away, or just like all crazy kinds of things. So we're like, we're gonna keep it safe and simple. Like, we just want to make sure that everybody could see and everything's gonna turn out all right. So we went with the safest thing, which is like the poppers. And we ordered a few of them. Oh wow, the quality on that is really good. Ricardo's showing me what the webcam looks like. And look at that. What are you in right now?
This is FaceTime, so we can FaceTime like that.
Oh, this is FaceTime? Okay, that's pretty cool. It looks really good.
Oh, it's a good camera. It's new.
Dang. We were gonna do it indoors, but because we wanted to be with, you know, like at least our immediate family present but not close to them, and it's a pretty big parking lot, so we're gonna set it up there so everybody's gonna be far away but they're still gonna be close enough to see, and then everybody else will just be on a Zoom meeting call and they can see from the comfort of their home. Oh my god, my robe is opening. Okay, so I still don't know what I'm gonna wear because it's not that nice outside. It actually snowed yesterday, which is crazy. It was so nice like the week before. It was like in the 70s, and now yesterday it snowed, and then today it's gonna be like mid 50s. So I want to wear something cute, and I'm trying not to like give it away by wearing a specific color, and I'm trying to wear something white. So I don't know what I have that's white that I could wear, but we're gonna find out. I'm going to be making a balloon garland, and I got all of this from Amazon. I've had this for a while and it's really handy. It helps you blow up balloons. All it does is blow out air, and it has different sizes of what you can use. It was super inexpensive. I think I paid $17 or $18 for it, and then I just had this for a while, and since everything is neutral, I was like, that's perfect, because to be honest, I'm not a fan of the pink and the blue together. As a combination, I just don't like that color combination at all. The ones that came in the kit, so I thought this was pretty, like the neutrals. And then we have the balloons. Ricardo's trying to figure out how we can use the little gadget that was sent to us with the kits that helps you tie balloons so your fingers don't get tired of like tying the balloons, but because after a while it hurts your fingers. So what I did is I have the bigger balloons in here with a mixture of the little balloons. And then over here, as we get towards the end, I'm going to put little baby balloons. And the trick to this is the smaller they are, the cuter they look. They are more round. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get these dots. They're called balloon glue. And then you can layer them on top of each other without having to be in the garland. Here's what the garland looks like. It's just this strip of plastic, and then you put the balloon in here and they go in. So it's quite simple. Hopefully this doesn't fail, okay?
3, 2, 1!
What?
You have to have a feeling of what it is.
It's a boy.
I do too. It is a boy! Oh my god. I knew it! I knew it! I just didn't want to say it and be wrong. I knew it. Oh my god, everything in my gut told me. Oh my gosh, we have a baby boy! Look at all this! And it got on the chandelier. Ricardo's like, I'm not looking forward to picking that up because he has to get on a ladder to clean that, but that's okay. I think it was so worth it. I am so excited. Coco's like, what's all this? That was really awesome. So when we found out, we actually had the envelope for, was it a couple days or was it that day?
What?
But then we had the envelope.
I thought we did it as soon as we got the envelope.
Did we? Okay.
Yeah, so we waited a long time because we thought we had the results multiple times
and then we didn't.
We didn't.
Yeah, but I honestly felt like I could have waited longer. But Ricardo's like, no, we're finding out today. And I was like, but I don't know why. I just feel like it just made it feel so real, which is obviously a good thing. But I was still kind of scared a little bit, even though I was so further along in my pregnancy. But just like reading it was like made it official. I'm like, oh my goodness, like this is really happening. We're having a baby, like once you find out the gender. And then I just bawled my eyes out. I was so overwhelmed with emotion. Like I was just so excited and just like, oh my God, like our baby is gonna come soon. We're gonna have a baby boy. And it was like the greatest feeling ever. And it just made it, I don't know, it made it so special. So we're so happy. We're so excited. We're gonna get to decorate the nursery next. And thank you guys so much for joining us through this journey. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos that I've been posting. They were supposed to go up last week, but that's okay. We're getting it out now. So we'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.
Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back. I can't stop feeling. How about you?